Welcome to another problem. Problem 2 on mesh analysis. On mesh analysis. The problem is in the circuit shown in figure, find mesh currents I1, I2 and 3. Find mesh current I1, I2 and I3. Okay, here is the circuit diagram shown. This is the diagram given. In this given diagram, we need to find I1, I2, I3. Okay. This is plus minus 7 volt. 7 volt. This is 1 ohm resistance, 2 ohm resistance, 3 ohm, and this is 6 volt, whereas this is 2 ohm and this is 1 ohm. Okay, this is the circuit diagram given. Okay, first you have to name. First, we have to name the every node. Or say that A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Very first, I have to select the currents. So I will call this as the mesh 1. So I will call this as the mesh 1 and I will write I1 is the current in it. And this is the mesh 2. I will write I2 is the current in it. And this is the mesh 3. I write I3 is the current in it. Okay, I have given. So okay, from mesh 1, that is A, B, C, D, E and again A. From mesh 1, note that here 1 ohm and 3 ohm. 1 ohm is the resistance for both mesh 1 and mesh 2. And here 2 ohm is the resistance for both mesh 1 and mesh 3. Okay. See, 1 and 3 is also for the mesh 1. I'll write this as 3 into I1, 1 plus 2, and I1 because it is due to the mesh 1, and for mesh 1 I1 will be positive. Okay. Now minus I2 because only 1 ohm is here and that is belong to mesh 2. Current other than the mesh what I am assumed will be negative. Okay. And next here is minus 3 into I3 because 3 ohm resistance which is belong to the mesh 3. Sorry, this is 2 ohm resistance. 2 ohm resistance belongs to the mesh 3. See that 1 plus 2 is completely for mesh 1, 1 is for mesh 2 and 2 is for mesh 3 is equal to. See, from moving from negative to positive and again from positive to negative. So this is nothing but 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, and I rub this. This is a 1 volt. This is one equation. Similarly, from mesh 2, what is that mesh 2? D, C, F, G, D. This one. Okay. Here, see that this 1 ohm belongs to both I1 and I2, and this 2 ohm is this 2 ohm, 1, 2 and 3 is belongs to the I2, and this 3 ohm is belongs to the I3, mesh 3. Okay, I'll write this as minus I1, 1 plus 2 plus 3, so that is 6 I2, and this is minus 3 I3, but here is no voltage source here, so this is equal to 0, and I call this the equation 2. I call this as the equation 2. Okay. Okay. And from mesh 3, what is that? EDGHA. Where I start, I should end up there only. See here, this 3 ohm is belong to mesh 1, and 3 plus 1, total 7 belongs to mesh 3, and this 3 ohm belongs to mesh 2. So, minus 2 I1, and this is minus 3 I2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 6, so that is plus 6 I3 is equal to how much is they move from negative to the positive, so it is 6. Totally we got 3 equations. Okay. For mesh 1, 1 plus 2, totally 3 I1. I1 is positive because mesh 1 I have positive. 1 ohm here is minus I2. 2 is I3 minus 2 I3, and this is equation 1. Similarly, for this mesh 2 and mesh 3. Okay. As I said, this can be written in matrix form, saying 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 6 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 6 into I1 I2 I3 is equal to, what is that? 106 in the matrix form. Okay, this is nothing but delta is equal to, as it is, 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 6 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 and 6. Delta 1, this 106 should be replaced. If replaced in the column 1, that will be delta 1. If it is replaced in the column 2, that will be the delta 2. And if it is replaced in the column 3, that will be the delta 3. So 106, this is minus 1, 6, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, 6. This is delta 1. Similarly, delta 2, okay, 3, minus 1, minus 2. This 106 is in the column 2. Minus 2, minus 3 and 6 as it is. Similarly, delta 3 is equal to 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 6 minus 3 1 0 6. This is delta 3. Okay, and I1 is obtained by delta 1 divided by delta, and I2 is equal to delta 2 divided by delta, and I3 is equal to delta 3 divided by delta. Okay, we'll have the calci to solve. Okay, here okay, press the matrix form, then press shift, press 4. It will ask, okay, I will press the matrix for 1 for dimension. Okay, I will select 1 for matrix A. This is 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, 1 is the dimension. If I press the 3 cross 3, it will take 3 cross 3 matrix. And this is 1 1 displays. This is a first row first column, that is 3. Okay, and 1 2, that is minus 1, press equal sign, and minus 2 plus equal sign. Now it is 2 1, mat A 2 1, matrix A second row first column. So minus 1 6 and minus 3. Now it is mat A 3 1, matrix A third row first column, minus 2. Okay, press equal sign, minus 3, press equal sign, 6. See, have entered, and look into, you can press mat A 1 1, first row first column 3, first row second column minus 1, first row third column minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 6, 3. You can verify. Now I have entered the matrix A. I have entered the matrix A. Next to find the determinant. Press shift 4. You use this one determinant, open. Again press shift 4. Matrix, which matrix A? I have loaded data there, equal sign. It shows syntax error. See, you do again. Okay, nothing, already data stored there. Already data is stored there. Okay, thing is, press shift 4, determinant, open bracket, shift 4, 3, press shift 3, which matrix I have stored in matrix A. Okay, see 39. 39 is the delta value. 39 is the delta value I have entered. Now delta 1. Okay, delta 1. Okay, again shift 4, edit 1 matrix A. Already earlier it was for delta values. Now it is I have to substitute, only first column will change. So 1 comma 1, that is 1. Okay, 1 2 is say minus 1, 1 3 is minus 2. Okay, now second row first column will change. Earlier it was minus 1, now it is 0. 2 2 is no unchanged, 2 3 is minus 3, and 3 1 will change, that is 6, and this is unchanged. Okay, I have entered. Shift 4, this button, determinant I have to find, open bracket, again press shift 4, matrix, which matrix? A matrix, syntax error showing. See, second attempt it will display the answer. Okay, need not worry. 0, shift 4 determinant open bracket shift 4 3 matrix A. Okay, see this is 117. The value of delta 1 is 117. The value of delta 1 is 117. And delta 2, again shift 4, just edit 1. See here, see that 3 minus 1 minus 2, the second column is updated. Second column is updated. Okay, so that press first 3, second is 1 and minus 2 as it is, third is minus 1, 2 is 0 and this is minus 3 as it is, 3 1 is minus 2, 3 2 is 6, it is also 6. Press shift 4, this term, okay, determinant 4 matrix A, okay, syntax error, determinant open bracket matrix A close. See, this answer is 78. What I got? Delta 2 is 78. Delta 2 is 78. Delta 2 is 78. Okay. Delta 3. Similarly, delta 3, shift matrix, edit, matrix A. Okay, first is 3, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 6, 0, minus 2, minus 3, 6, matrix, determinant, open bracket, 4, matrix, syntax error, determinant, matrix 1, 117. 117. See what is delta? Delta is 39. Delta 1 is 117. Delta 2 is 78. Delta 3 is 117. Delta 3 is 117. Okay, let it. Okay, so that delta 1 is, press this common mode, 117 divided by 39, I1 is 3 ampere. Okay, delta 2 is 78 divided by 39, 78 divided by 39, that is 2 ampere, and delta 3 is 3 ampere because that is same as 117. Okay, so I get I1 is equal to 3 ampere, I2 is equal to 2 ampere and I3 is equal to 3 ampere. This is through the matrix form. See also another form. Press mode until you get equation. Press 1 equation. It will ask how many unknowns? 3 unknowns. Okay, this is as a 3 unknowns. Okay, this is 3I1. First equation 1 A1, A2, A1, B1, C1, D1, and this is A2, B2, C2, D2. This is A3, B3, C3, D3. All the these 3 equations, A1, B1, C1, D1, like that. It will asking the value for A1. Okay, I'll put A1 is 3, B1 is -1, B2 is -2, and D1 is 1. Okay, now it is A2. A2 is -1, B2 is 6, B3 is C2 is 3, and D2 is 0. And A3 is -2, B3 is -3, C3 is 6, D3 is 6. So it displaying after substituting all this, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. Means that I1 is 3, I2 is 2, I3 is 3. We have found the answers.